Dubai is leading the charge towards a green future. From pioneering hydrogen technology to world-class sustainability initiatives, the Emirate is positioning itself as a global green economy powerhouse. But what's fueling this transformation? Dubai isn't just going green, it's building a future on it. With bold targets under the Clean Energy Strategy 2050 and UAE's net zero agenda, the Emirate is leading a global clean tech charge. DEWA is employing AI-based energy demand forecasting to enhance efficiency in solar to hydrogen conversion, reducing wastage and improving scalability, a game-changing fuel that could transform industries, reduce emissions, and position Dubai as a global energy leader. The Green Hydrogen Pilot Project, launched by DEWA, is the first of its kind in the region. As global demand for clean hydrogen rises, Dubai is also positioning itself as a major export hub. With its strategic location, advanced port infrastructure, and trade agreements, the Emirate is poised to become a critical supplier of hydrogen to key global markets. Jebel Ali Port is being upgraded to support hydrogen exports, positioning Dubai alongside regional players like Saudi Arabia and Oman. To ensure global market readiness, the city is also developing sustainability certification and regulatory systems. That said, Dubai's sustainability efforts extend beyond energy production. The city is integrating hydrogen into its public transport system, logistics fleets, and even aviation. Hydrogen-powered mobility is set to redefine transportation, making Dubai a leader in smart and sustainable urban planning. DEWA is leveraging AI-based demand forecasting and predictive analytics to optimize clean energy distribution and reduce grid emissions. Dubai's green shift isn't just about climate. It's a strategic move for economic resilience and global relevance. Backed by the UAE Net Zero 2050 and the Dubai Clean Energy Strategy, the Emirate is rapidly emerging as a key hydrogen supplier to Europe and Asia. With growing ESG investments and support from agencies like IRENA, the city is poised to lead the region in clean tech and sustainable finance. Dubai's bold investments in clean energy, smart mobility, and hydrogen innovation are setting a powerful example for global cities. Its scalable green economy is already influencing policies and driving sustainable development worldwide. The transition is no longer just an ambition. It's a reality in motion. The question is not if, but how soon will Dubai achieve its net zero vision?